Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a Bluetooth speaker from DOS. Now this speaker features a reactive RGB lighting, Bluetooth 5.3 and a rugged outdoor ready design. And in this review, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about this speaker, and we'll test out the sound quality with a few songs. And without wasting much time, my name is Onye and this is the DOS D200. Welcome back guys, and before we get started, I'd like to disclose that this video is not sponsored. However, DOS sent us this speaker for a thorough review on the channel. That said, my thoughts and opinions remain entirely personal, and with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, now in the box you get a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, shoulder strap for carrying, and lastly, the D200 speaker. And at the time of this video, this speaker comes in at around $229 or £229 in the UK. And that firmly puts the speaker in the upper mid-range category. At this price point, it starts to compete with much higher end speakers. Although I must say that the build quality is great, and the speaker is perfect for anyone looking for a rugged outdoor speaker that delivers on sound and battery life. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this speaker, the links will be in the description. Okay, now the DOS D200 weighs about 4.2 kilograms, so it's definitely on the heavier side compared to smaller portable speakers. But with the included strap, it's still practical to carry around and perfect for outdoor events, camping or backyard gatherings. Okay, now let's look at the design and build quality. Now the D200 has a bold oval shape with a solid metal grille at the front and a rugged outer shell designed to handle the outdoors. Now the D200 is available in three colors: the black, the blue, and the orange. And when I say colors, I'm actually referring to the color trim around the passive radiator. Now it features reinforced edges, reactive RGB lighting, and an ergonomic strap design to make transporting it easier. Now the speaker is rated IPX6 water resistant, meaning it can handle rain and heavy splashes, making it great for outdoor adventures. The overall look is strong, practical, and thanks to its rugged design, battery life, and powerful output, it's clearly built for all scenarios. Now okay, let's look at the controls. The controls are located at the top panel. Starting from the right to the left side, you get the power on and off button, and in between here you get the indicator lights which show the battery level. Next to that you get the volume up and down buttons, and next you have the play and pause button, the RGB button for cycling through the different light shows or turning the lights off completely, and next to that you have the multi-speaker pairing button, and lastly the M button. And this is for turning on the extra bass feature, and I highly recommend you turn it on straight away, as this speaker will sound fuller when it's turned on. Okay, now the next thing to talk about is charging and battery life. And on the back side you have the USB-C port for charging up the speaker, and next to that you have the USB-A for charging other devices like your phone. And the battery life delivers up to 26 hours playback on moderate volume. This is already way better than all the competing speakers in the same category. And it takes about 5.5 hours to charge a dead battery to full. Okay, now moving on to the next point, Bluetooth and connectivity. Now the D200 supports Bluetooth 5.3, which gives you a rock solid connection. A pairing is quick and simple, and with a range of up to 82 feet, you can keep your device connected even when moving around different spaces in the building. There's also support for an auxiliary input if you prefer wired connection, and also a support for playback via a TF card, although I don't know if anyone is actually using this feature, but it's there if you ever wish to. Okay, now I'm done talking for this speaker and it's time for the sound quality test. So put on your headphones for the best experience, and after the test, I'll give you my thoughts and comment on the sound quality. Okay, D200, take it away.
The value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go.
As you just heard, the DOS D200 delivers a big and bold sound. Now the bass response is deep and impactful, the mid-ranges are well balanced, and the high frequency stays clear without sounding harsh. At 50% volume, it feels like the speaker is still warming up, and I must say that the volume level at 50% is still on the lower side, especially for speakers in its size. Though this is not necessarily a bad thing, you only need to push up the volume if you're looking for more of that pounding feeling. At maximum volume, the speaker gets very loud and can easily fill an outdoor space or large rooms, and it holds up without much distortion. And one thing I would highly recommend is to make sure that the bass boost is actually engaged if you like bass, as this makes the speaker to sound fuller. Now, mine came with the bass boost set to the off position, and this immediately felt like the speaker was underwhelming until of course I discovered the bass boost button. And I think DOS should actually ship these speakers with the bass boost turned on by default, as most people already know what they're getting themselves into when buying a speaker of this nature, and it's really good to meet their expectation once they hit play for the first time. But anyway, that's just a minor gripe on my side. So, do I recommend the D200? And I'll say yes. Compared to speakers in its class, the D200 is a worthy powerhouse, combining volume, clarity, and endurance with one of the best battery lives that I've seen in speakers under $250. Bottom line, if you're looking for a rugged outdoor speaker with a strong sound, the DOS D200 is worth considering. Okay guys, that's it from me. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Now like this video if you liked it, subscribe to stay connected. It's been a pleasure, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.